out here. This is the Texas Billiards Classic Car Show. We're actually in spectator. Rollers in the background on the WRX. And this guy just started his car up. I'm gonna call it a gasser, but he just started his car up, so. Rollers on the, got rollers on it. More rollers on the classics. As he rolls on by the Dodge. This is a 1968 Plymouth Belvedere. He's got it all mocked up as the Los Angeles Police Department vehicle. We've seen it before. This is Usual Suspects. I believe he was at Billy Bob's. That might not have been the first time I saw him. He might have been at Nebraska Furniture Mart. So this is not the one from Nebraska Furniture Mart. That apparently was a 69. And this is a 68. This is a 1955. The 1955 Chevy. We'll get it from the back. Very clean. Here's under the hood on that 1955. It is not matching numbers. But there's under the hood on the 55. And if it'll come out, there's the bottom of the hood. So this might be Usual Suspects from another show. 1950. Their tent matches their truck. And we've got a roller. We've got a roller on the Mitsubishi. Very nice. With the wheels. Roll on, sir. Red sun on the back window. 3000 GT, rollers on the 3000 GT, slow rollers. Let's just hang out with him for a moment, shall we? There he goes. We have that 1950 from the back, and this is actually Usual Suspects because we saw them many years ago. If you go back in the history, you're gonna see this truck again. We were over in Bedford then. Here's the bed of the truck. It's got a nice wood to it. Here's the interior on that 1950. These will be some better pictures now that I have this camera. Under the hood on the 1950. There's all that. So there's your 1950. We have a 2012 Corvette. It's listing it as a GS convertible. 2012. Under the hood on the 2012 Corvette. With the top down, we've got the interior on that 2012. And there's there's your seats.
Okay, we're welcome everybody again to
We got a guy on the mic, so no copy strike for a moment.
if you have not registered, please come.
It's a 1966. It's a Chevy 2 Nova. Here's the 66 Nova from the back. Here's the interior on the 66. He's got all the Route 66 stuff in here. He's using that as a theme, Route 66, for his 66 Nova. And under the hood on the 66 Nova. So, let's say not matching numbers on this. Looks like it's been modded. You make the call on what we're looking at here. So we're back over in Spectator, but I wanted to capture some of the stuff that came over here. There's some decent clean stuff. That's a Sierra. There's a 1500, the 5.7, and we've got these things that are hiding over here. SS and the ZL1 over here. So this is kind of Spectator, and then this dude over here, he's got a trailer attached. So always check your Spectator parking. So now we've left the Spectator parking, but we're still kind of in the back area. And there's some stuff over here. There's a WRX right here. We've got a Mustang. It's an old Chrysler. There's stuff over here. We've got a 442. I'll get the year on it if I don't see the paper. We'll see if we can get the year on this. Or you can put the year in the comments if you know what it is. Got the wing on it. I don't even have a license plate. So this thing is just sitting here chilling. So we're saying early 70s on this one.
Is that what it's saying?
I didn't see any markings.
I don't see a sign or anything. There's an envelope down there, but I'm
1953. They don't have colors like this on cars anymore. I'm gonna get it from the back. Look at these wheels. Are those called half moons? These wheels are just crazy. Let me get this from the back. Here we are. There you go. The Studebaker. Under the hood on the 53 Studebaker. There's that. There's that. The interior on the 63 Studebaker. There it is. It's a 1955. There's some badging on it, we can get that. Does it say 100? 3100, the Chevy. 3100 is badged there. It says we're good on the light for the interior. I hope you can see it. Here's that 55 from the back. Antique Autos on the license plate. 1992. The Oldsmobile Cutlass. It's a convertible. It's white with maroon interior. It is a Cutlass Supreme. We'll get it from the back. There is your 1992 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. White with maroon interior. Let's get the interior. And here's the interior on that 92 Cutlass. You see it's got this bar here, but here's the interior. There it is. And see if we get the year on this. There's no paper. There's a Bel Air. This is a 57. Looks like Rustomod. The interior on the 57. It's a 1976. And he's got some flyers for a show in August. I'm gonna see if I can get over there. He's got all the stickers on the window. Here's that 76 from the back. And here's the bed of the 76. The interior on the 76. Orange crate. There's a Schwinn on it. It's in the show. A 2013 Corvette. It's a convertible. C6 is on the license plate. 2013. Looks familiar. I don't know if we've seen it. 60th anniversary. The interior on the 2013. There's a square body over here making some noise. I think we saw this car recently. Like super recently. Under the hood on the 2013. The 60th anniversary Corvette LS3. The tag removed before flight.
Also,
69 Roadrunner.
The Drinking and Smoking Barbecue. Got a trailer right over here.
I think I've seen this car before.
Got pulled pork sandwiches for chips for 10. Brisket sandwiches.
It looks familiar. Oh, we'll cover it.
Loaded mac and cheese and third person for
He's
6.
here.
Loaded mac and cheese and brisket for 7. You can only drink for $1. So go grab you something to eat while you're around. That's pretty good.
We have another 57 Bel Air. Again, this is Usual Suspects. I know I've seen this car before. Mad Dog Car Club. I think we saw him at Billy Bob's, and we may have seen him at some other shows. This is a 1962 Chevy Bel Air. I don't know that I've seen it before. But here it sits. Under the hood on the 62 Bel Air. Interiors on the 1962 Bel Air. And here it is from the back. 62 Bel Air. Now I'm gonna get that. You can see he's got his ketchup mustard. He's got a couple of Cokes, a couple of burgers, some French fries. So a girl on roller skates just rolled up to his car and got him some dinner. This is Usual Suspects. It's a 65 Chevelle. We've seen it before. It's a good looking car. They keep bringing it out. I keep filming it. Let's move on. 57, another 57 Bel Air. Maybe Usual Suspect. Another Bad Dog Car Club member. Good looking car. Under the hood on that black 57. interior on that black 57. I don't know that I've seen this car before. I'm usually pretty good about knowing when I've got a usual suspect, but this one is, I don't remember. 1988 SS 454. I might have to adjust for light on this. It's got the seat belts in there. Looks like it's got a cage. This is a 1961 Ford Thunderbird. And we've got a roller coming in. Roller. I think he's just going to park it right here. I think this is Usual Suspects. I think he was at Connors. We have a car for sale. It's a 2008 Shelby GT. I'll get some shots of it and I'll get the information. Here's that 08 Shelby GT from the back. I have the information if you're interested. I don't have a number on it. So whatever you think a 2008 GT is worth. This is Usual Suspects. It's a 2021 ZL1. And I believe the last time I saw him was at the Irving Convention Center. There's a Time Machine car show. I could be wrong, but I believe, because it's a Summit White convertible. It's one of 30. There's a car parked right next to me, so I can't get any further away. But here's the 68 Camaro. I can get around it. Here's under the hood on the 68 Camaro. The hood delete per the 12-inch count. It wouldn't fit. You couldn't close the hood with it like that. It won't shut. There's no paper on this one, like they're not in the show, but they're in the parking lot, so. There's a 1500. This guy pulled up behind us while I was filming another car, so I didn't get him rolling around. But he just left it right here. Just put it right there. So there it is. I don't know if the light's good enough. Anyway, there it is. Under the hood on that Corvette, that two-tone Corvette. There it is. The 1989 Fox body, the 5.0. Here we go. Pins in the hood. 56 is on the windshield of this. 1956 Ford. It says it's an F100. We have a Firebird Trans Am. People are starting to leave. So I think I've seen this Power Tour 2013. It's an 87. It's an 87 Pontiac Trans Am GTA. How far away can I get from this thing? It's a Trans Am GTA. I think it's Usual Suspects. This is a 2007 DB9. So, get on this. Under the hood on the DB9, you can see Austin Martin is on the 6.0 V12. Very proudly there. Hand-built in England. The interior on the 2007 DB9. It looks like there's back seats, but I don't know why. And the DB9 from the back. Very nice. So we have this Prowler, and sitting next to it is the owner. That's Frank. And he says he keeps this one at the house. So we will not be seeing this during our visit on Tuesday. We're gonna go out to the speed shop and take a look at what they've got. 77.
We are actually up over 300 on our 50-50 raffle. I'm not sure exactly. We'll give you a total here in a second.
60th anniversary tour 29. Look at these seats, they twist. There's that, and there's the bed. All right, we had an issue. I don't know what happened to the camera. It just kind of glitched on me, so switch to the GoPro. I'm gonna do the quick. I'm just gonna hit this pretty quick as we can get inside. A lot of cars have left right now because it's threatening to rain, or it looks like rain. Here, so that's what the skies are around here. This is what the weather is over this show. So this is what people are afraid is going to turn into something. So got some of these. Hot Rod Hunters is on the window of both of these. So these guys have put some cubic inches in these things. There's a Mitsubishi, which makes it the 3000 GT. STI is on this one. I don't know if he was out there yesterday at Huffines, but we'll get under the hood there. Got an SS. My goodness, that is a lot of air going into that engine. 300. 1992. Carbon fiber on the hood. '92. Come over here. And we have 67 is on the windshield. 1967 Cornet. Get it from the back over here. The Cornet.
I've got him. I'm sonared. I know where he's at.
1973 on the Corvette.
I'm used to seeing them kind of jacked up, high as this, as big as this.
Interior on the Corvette. He's got the T-tops, so he has that centerpiece there. There's the T-tops on the Corvette.
And the funny thing is, I know where he
76. We got this over here. Silverado is badged on this one. inside of this. The size of these tires. And there's a light bar on the front. So I think it'll get you there. It'll get you there. This is very clean. This thing is super clean. 1994, the F-150, 4x4. 1994 is what we're looking at. In 94, this is your F-150 XLT in 94. 2010 on the Challenger. And over here we have a Firebird. This is a 68. He's taking this piece off here so we can see the engine a little better view without that big piece sitting there. Appreciate it. We'll come over here and get the interior on the 68 Firebird. Oh, he's got the little fins. There's the spoiler. And there it is from the back. I'm gonna get that bird because it's cool. Oh, he's got the lights on. See, these actually light up. That bird is too cool. There it is. So we're gonna get him for the GoPro. We're gonna get you on the GoPro footage. I put the other camera away, so we're gonna... Usual suspects. We've seen this car before. He brings it out super clean. Trying to get him over to Hot Import Nights if he can get over there. If he can get over there. There's some of his trophies.
Everything was good. I got lucky.
CRX.
If your car number, and that's the number that you tape to your
El
front windshield
Camino.
on that sheet.
Oh, look at that, the
Any of
seat
these numbers,
turns.
please come on up here. You have your bout to be picked up, and you guys can vote.